POSCO, which started with steel production, has grown into a global business leader in green materials, fostering primary research and practical development with support from the government. ChangeUpGround aims to leverage POSCO's full capabilities to return the extensive support that POSCO has received to venture companies to help them grow into global business leaders beyond POSCO. ChangeUpGround, which has all the necessary infrastructure for global expansion, from primary research to practical development and production, is the world's sole Venture Valley platform. As Korea's first research university, POSTECH has been at the forefront of innovation since its establishment. The country's best talents, proudly nurtured by POSTECH, have made great strides as they strive to overcome current limitations. It has been around 20 years since metamaterials were realized. We aim to fully implement metamaterial technologies through our lab's extensive experience and POSTECH's latest science technology, coupled with mass production environments, markets, and economics, supported by relevant industries. The combined use of ultrasound and light can enhance the sensitivity and accuracy of disease diagnoses. We have developed an optically transparent transducer that offers ultrasound performance equivalent to existing opaque transducers, providing an optimal solution for the fusion of ultrasound and light. Currently, a solution that combines ultrasound with various optical diagnostic devices, such as photoacoustics, OCT, and fluorescence, is in development, with commercialization technology aided by WRIST. The foremost advantage of ChangeUpGround is that it offers the finest venue for next-generation young entrepreneurs to collaborate with POSTECH's talented personnel and leverage WRIST and POSTECH's strong support to ultimately realize their dream of growing into global leaders. Using Pohang light sources in research can provide tremendous opportunities. Its extensive science infrastructure represents Korea's science, and it is one of the few in the world. After moving into ChangeUpGround, we cooperate with WRIST to analyze applied products and develop mass production technologies using PLS. Graphene, once commercialized, will be actively used across major industries in Korea, including display, home appliance, semiconductor, EV, and biofuels, turning the future that had only been imagined or described in movies into reality. WRIST, in a nutshell, is a research institute specializing in technology commercialization. It conducts research and provides relevant support to facilitate the commercialization of technologies or materials already developed through primary research, which may otherwise remain at the research stage. We are in the fourth industrial revolution era, where technology commercialization is more important than anything else. However, finding a dedicated research institute that applies and commercializes primary research outcomes is still challenging. BioBricks develops BioInk, a key material for 3D bioprinting, and researches to create artificial organs. WRIST supported us in building production facilities where we aim to produce high-quality, clinical-grade bioinks by 2023 and put corneal repair sealants into production by 2024. Without active support from WRIST, we would have taken a much longer road to commercialize our research. Research is crucial for high-tech startups, but often has practical application and commercialization difficulties. Therefore, seamlessly integrating research and experimentation is needed. ChangeUpGround has the advantage of utilizing its infrastructure for industry academy research cooperation. This benefits technology startups. They can pave their way to success while strengthening capabilities starting from primary research. For an early-stage venture company whose budget is relatively limited, It is like a dream to be fully equipped with all of the necessary infrastructure because verifying the efficacy and safety of a new drug is already quite burdensome. Thanks to the Change-Up Ground, we secured the global competitiveness of new drug candidates and validated their efficacy smoothly. Selexine was able to change up, receiving high valuation and investment, and even started clinical trials in the US and Korea with reduced time and cost. Single-use plastic is cheap and convenient, but a threat to humans. So bioplastics today are drawing increased attention. To conduct bioplastic-related research requires large-scale infrastructure, which helped us set up all the processes to commercialize products. Since starting operations at POSTECH Research Center, securing necessary technologies and infrastructure for development was accessible. The goal of Gyeongsangbuk-do is to create a local entrepreneurship ecosystem. To achieve this goal, we are actively supporting the commercialization of research through collaboration with industry, academia, and related institutions, such as POSCO, POSTECH, and RIST. We will continue diversifying our startup incubation programs and expanding our funding to make Gyeongsangbuk-do a place where young entrepreneurs can dream of innovation. Let's do it! It's imperative and helpful for venture companies like us to have a space like the Scale-Up Foundry for manufacture startups, which offers laboratories for primary research and facilities necessary to scale up and manufacture products under one roof. BioApp plans to utilize Scale-Up Foundry for manufacture startups facilities to produce the world's first approved Herbivac classical swine fever green marker vaccine and to achieve overseas exports. As the value of participating companies increases, POSCO Group is also expanding its investment and support. POSCO International is investing in the medical field, such as BioApp, and is considering investments in eco-friendly material companies, such as Anpoly. POSCO International collaborates and promotes global expansion with bio-startup companies through these efforts. POSCO DX, which is leading the smart factory business at POSCO Group, plays a supporting role for venture companies entering the manufacturing sector. For the steel mill environment, we are carrying out a project to improve the safety of unmanned mobility facilities by combining a venture company's 4D image radar and AI image analysis technologies. Starting with this, we will actively provide smart city and factory technology demonstration and commercialization support in collaboration with more venture companies. Change-Up Ground aims to foster and develop startups across diverse fields, including IT, bio and materials, parts, and equipment industries. POSCO Group collaborates closely with specialized companies from various fields to provide physical space, primary research, commercialization and manufacturing, and even smart solutions. Our goal and vision are to help realize the remarkable growth of startups that started at Change-Up Ground. Change-Up Ground was launched to assist startups in growing into companies even bigger than POSCO. POSCO's 1 trillion won venture fund and group network across 80 countries will pave the way for resident companies to become unicorn, decacorn, or hectacorn startups. Here, the door is always open. Today's research, tomorrow's business. Change-Up Ground goes beyond Silicon Valley with an Industry Academy research model supporting today's research to become tomorrow's business. We support endless growth for venture companies who start at Change-Up Ground and leap forward as global leaders. POSCO. Change-Up Ground.